Hello, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change an application icon in Windows 10. So first choose the software application you want to change its icon. Then click the application. Right-click the application. Then scroll down until you find Properties and click it. Click Change Icon. As you can see, you can change the icon of the application from their different icons, or you can browse different icon from your downloaded files. These are the icon formats are acceptable in Windows 10, .ico, .icl, .exe, and .dll files. Once you choose a file, click Apply. Click Continue to complete this operation. And as you can see, the icon has been changed to different icon. And that's pretty much of it on how to change an application icon in Windows 10. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. And thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a good day.